Hello children, today we are going to study practice set 52, factorizing algebraic expressions. We have learned the factors of whole numbers. Now let us learn to factorize algebraic expressions. First, let us factorize a monomial. 15, 3 into 5, that is 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Similarly, 3x, so 3 into, this is the multiplication sign, into x. Hence, 3 and x are the factors of 3x. Consider 5t square and 6ab square. 5t square, factors will be 5 into t square. That is 5 into t. And 6ab square, factors of 6 will be 2 into 3 into b. When factorizing a monomial, first factorize the coefficient if possible and then factorize the part of the variables. Here we'll see the actual problems in exercise. Factorize the following expressions and write them in the product form. Product means multiplication form. 201 a cube b square equals to 3 into 67 is 201 into a cube into b square. So 3 into 67, a is how many times? 3 times. So a into a, b is twice, so b into b. So these are the factors of the same. I'm sure very easy it is. Next, 91xy t square. 7 into 13 is 91 into x is one time only, y is one time only, t square is twice. So 7 into 13 into x into y into t. Very easy. Next, 24a square b square. So this equals to, now you know the factors of 24. You can do simplification 2 into 12, then 2 into 2 into 6 and on. So here it is done directly. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So into a square, b square. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, a is twice, so a into a, b is twice, b into b. T r square s cube. So t is once only, r square is there and s cube is there. So t into r into s into s into s. So these are the factors. Very easy exercise. In the next video, we are going to study next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you.